International recording artist Shenseea and her record label hit with a $10 million lawsuit over alleged copyright infringement. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall star Shenseea and her record label Interscope Records have been named as defendants in a $10 million lawsuit filed by attorney representing a US-based musician, Anesta's Papa Naz T. Hatchick, regarding clearance of the sample of Denise Belfon's soca hit Work. The song, which is interpolated with hooks from Shenseea's and Megan Thee Stallion hit single Lick, was co-written and produced by Hatchick in 1999 and Hardness State. Hatchick confirmed that he did not give legal clearance for the single to be sampled in Shenseea's song, and according to court documents filed in court, he never officially signed the clearance document for the song to be used. Hatchick and his company, Traveling Man Production LLC, who are listed as plaintiff, seek over US $10 million in damages, profile accrued from Lick and attorney costs. He is being represented by New York-based attorney Courtney K. Davis. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York on March 3, 2022. Lick was released back in January and uses an isolated 8-second vocal sample of the phrase "Put Your Back in It," which can be found in the intro and also the outro of the song. Further, the song also contains a 14-second re-sing of the sample "Put Your Back in It," which is heard 6 times in each chorus the lawsuit contends. The document filed in the New York court further alleged that Shenseea and her partners acted in violation of the United States Copyright Act. The plaintiff's attorney contended that Hatchick withheld his consent for the use of his song because he found the terms offered by the defendants to be inadequate. The lawsuit further alleged that the song, which was released on January 21, 2022 by the defendant, was done without authority or consent from the plaintiff and without providing proper credit to the plaintiff. The lawyers for the plaintiff alleged that in January of 2022, the defendants were placed on notice that they were using the plaintiff's work without authorization and that they are infringing on the plaintiff's copyright. In addition to damages, profits, and costs for the suit, among other things, the plaintiff is requesting a trial by jury and that a court order for Shenseea and her co-defendants to destroy and remove all traces of Lick from the song and the public domain. When the song was first released, the line "Put Your Back in It" raised questions from music lovers and whether or not Alpha Entertainment had obtained permission to sample the track. Shenseea recently launched her Alpha album, which contains the track Lick. Our news center sought to reach out to the management team, however we were told that no one was available to make a comment. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to comment this. Thanks for watching.